entry number 9, Milaor National High School, San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Next entry is entry number 10, Sipokot National High School, Tara, Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Janred Esperanza. Troop S1, Lance Angelus Miralles. Troop S2, J.R. Borason. Troop S3, Vincent Michael Abay. Troop S4, Nino James Saicon. Troop S5, Giovanni Brasil. Troop S6, Carl von Kaiser Baniel. Majorette Leader, Micaela Aga. DLC Leader, John Alex Alemania. CTP Alpha Company Commander, Carl Mortel. CTP Alpha Company EXO, Jerry Fred Bartusis. First Platoon Leader Boys, Sam Francis Asada. Second Platoon Leader Boys, Kenneth Amado. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Sosette Villere. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Nina Altea Casalme. First Platoon Leader Girls, Rosaline Año Nuevo. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Luisa Moira Aguilar. MAPE Company Commander, Justine Victa. MAPE Company EXO, Jimuel Fernando. First Platoon Leader, Jonaline Siban. Second Platoon Leader, Jandy Damiano. School Head, Manuel Buere. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Roy Salvador Azuela. Majorettes Coordinator, Rodrigo Shera Jr. Maria Rowena de los Reyes. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Crisel San Juan. Roy Barra, MAPE Facilitator. With MAPE 4, entry number 10, Sipokot National High School, Tara, Sipokot, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 10, Sipokot National High School, Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Entry number